Hello everybody, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm very excited to share my May to August catalog product share with you. So if you follow me, you know that with every catalog launch, I offer a product share, which is a little bit of all the new papers, ribbons, embellishments, all the goodies in the new catalog. And although I cannot show you the inside of this catalog yet, if you joined me last week for my unboxing video, I shared tons of the new products in here with you. And if you haven't had a chance to see that yet, that was on my Facebook page, and I think you'll really enjoy watching it. But warning, it's a long one. I had tons to share with you. But in that video, I showed you each individual paper collection, all the ribbons, the embellishments, the bundles and suites, and all the good stuff that's coming. And so I am here to share with you what is available in this catalog's product share. So my product shares include several different options so that you can mix and match to get just exactly what you want. And let's start with the designer series paper share. So this product share includes 15 designer series papers, and the paper share includes about 1/4 of a pack of all of the designer series papers, with a couple of exceptions, which is the shimmer paper and the Scenic Coast paper, and there was one other one that is 1/8 of a pack. And it's because I was trying to divide them really well so that you had a little bit of everything, the velveteen specialty. So you still had a little bit of everything to create with, but I also made it really affordable for you as well. So you're going to receive one 6x6 collection, and then these 3 specialty papers are cut down to 6x6, but all of your other designer series papers are left 6x12. And I really like this size because it gives you more options for creating fancy folds and 3D projects, as opposed to having the 6x6 papers, which can sometimes limit what you can create with them. But every paper is labeled. You've got your ordering information, the catalog, as well as the colors. So it's really nice to refer to if you use your paper up and you love it and you want more. It's really nice to know exactly what to order. You've got the catalog, the ordering number, and the name of the item so that you know exactly what you want to order. So the paper share, again, is 15 collections and about 1/4 of a pack of each, with those couple of exceptions, and this is $59. Now the next option is the color families. So Stampin' Up! Generally has a large annual catalog that launches this time of year, but they're switching over to smaller catalogs. However, they are still following with their release of all the color families in nice neutral patterns. So for this particular year, we have color families in the new upcoming in colors, your subtles, neutrals, brights, and regals. And then this is a new collection, and this collection is called Basics. It's got basic beige, very vanilla, and basic black in it, which is really, really cool because these are nice neutrals that you will use a lot of. And every year the patterns change. So you have a small and a large polka dot, and then you have a varied stripe and a painted stripe. And these collections are actually called painted patterns, and then they have the color family name in them. And what I love about these is when you have these color collections, you have papers in just about every single Stampin' Up! Color, which makes it amazing because you never have to worry about having paper that matches your project. And this collection I offer as an option separate from the paper share, and this is called the paper stack share, and you get 20 pieces in each color family, and then there's 12 in the basics. So that's 112 pieces, and this collection is $35. Then, of course, what would a paper share be without your ribbon and embellishments? And so the ribbon and embellishments come packaged really nicely like this. It's a great way to keep all your ribbon and embellishments on a shelf, neat and organized, and you know exactly which catalog they came from if you would like more. And for this release, you have 5 of the beautiful new in color ribbons, as well as about 1/5 of a pack of all of your new embellishments. And they're all labeled. You've got your item name and number on there so that if there's something you love, you can very easily get some more. And the ribbon and embellishment share is $33. Then you have your quick and easy assortment. So the quick and easy assortment is actually one of my most popular shares, and it includes all the ephemera that is included with a catalog launch, and this catalog knocks it out of the park. So there are 5 ephemera collections, and I absolutely love that all the colors coordinate. They also coordinate with the Everyday Essentials Designer Series paper, which is also included in your paper share. So if you wanted some Designer Series paper that coordinated, they've got you covered. And this is half a pack of these 5 collections. And then you have these amazing labels that you can use to include on your projects. Some of them have the holes to tie them on as tags. Some of them don't, which is really awesome to have that variety. And then you also get a half a pack of these really cool window boxes that are great for small gifts or treats. And that comes in this share as well. And this share is called the Quick and Easy Share, and it's $28. And then last but not least, as the 5th item that you can choose as you're building your perfect share collection are my super popular paper samplers. And these paper samplers are designed to create a tool for you as you're creating your projects so that you can pull out the collections and see which papers coordinate with the project that you're trying to make. You can match the colors and know exactly what you need to create with. And then you have all the colors listed on the back. Now I have changed up my color labels from the past because sometimes the staples up here would get caught on the label in the front and tear or pull it up. So I'm adding the color label over the staples. So now you don't have to worry when you put your samplers together like this, you don't have to worry about damaging the front of your sampler, which is really nice. Now, this paper sampler share includes all 15 Designer Series papers included in the paper share, as well as one sampler that shows the 4 patterns in your painted patterns family collection. So you're going to have your dots and your stripes, and it will be in one of the colors. This is to feature the patterns, not the colors. You will know that the colors will be the color family that you choose, and it will be listed in the color family section of your catalog. So you get all 16 of these paper samplers, and the paper samplers are $35. So now when you choose to get a complete collection, so I call this my ready to craft bundle. Let me show you everything that you receive. You get your quarter pack of your color families, which is 112 sheets. You get a quarter pack of your full Designer Series papers, which is 80 sheets. You get your ribbon and embellishments. You get your quick and easy, which is all your ephemera and your boxes. And you get your paper samplers. I mean, this is like, wow, you are ready to craft. This is $190, and I am gifting you one of the amazing new shimmer brushes, which aren't even available yet, even for pre-order for demonstrators. They'll be available when the catalog launches. And you will get a color that I will just randomly tuck inside your package so that you can enjoy this. Now, if you choose to do a la carte and get the items that you would like, if your product share order is at least $100, I'm going to be including one of the brand new white gel pens in your order, and these are amazing. If you have not yet watched my unboxing, please do. I show how amazing these write. They're really, really nice, and I think you're going to like having it. They're really nice for adding accents to flowers to create some dimension, or animals, or landscape pieces, or you can doodle. make cute little borders and background elements. You can do a lot of fun stuff with that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all the options for my product share. Now, product share reservation is open. You are welcome to get your reservation in. The last day to reserve your product share is May 2nd. And then I will pull everything together and get everything. I'm sorry, it's May 3rd. And I will pull everything together and get everything ordered on May 5th, the day the catalog launches. Then I will package everything up, label it nicely for you so that you have a really nice package like this, and get it all shipped off to you so that you can create with it as soon as possible. And my goal is to have those shipped around May 27th. It might be sooner. I always try to get them out as fast as I can. But if you have any questions, please reach out and take a peek at my unboxing again if you haven't, so that you can see all these items in detail. Thank you.